Okay, so I'm making this video because some people are having a hard time differentiating between a linear equation that has one solution, infinite solutions, or no solution. And so, yes, I'm special and weird, I know, but I'm going to make a little song about this. So, before I do that, let's look at one solution. So, essentially, if you have coefficients on just of a variable on one side, it's like this yellow equation here. There's only an x on one side, so and the coefficient is 8. So if you only have a variable on one side of the equation, it's automatically one solution. Just it's automatically. Now for this other example though, there's variables on both sides, but they have different coefficients. Coefficients are the numbers that are being multiplied by the variables. So if the coefficients are different, it's automatically going to be a one solution equation. Now, sometimes you'll get to an example where everything's the exact same. Now, notice this middle example, the green one, those parentheses kind of throw us off. We need to simplify it a little bit first before we can really see if it's infinite solution. So this example is actually simplified below. So once we use distributive property and we multiply the -4 times x and by 3, we get this. And then once we multiply this -2 times the 2x and the 6, we get this. Now notice both the coefficients, those -4s, and the constants, the numbers by themselves, -12. Those are both, everything's the same. Everything on the left side is the same as everything on the right side. Infinitely many solutions. So what that means is x in this case can equal anything. You can substitute in 5, and then what's on the left will equal what's on the right. You could substitute a million, and whatever's on the left will equal the right. So infinitely many solutions is when the left side looks the exact same as the right side once it's simplified a bit. No solution means that it's a false statement. It is wrong, it is wrong, it is wrong. So in this case, for example, in all these cases, the coefficients of x, or whatever variable you're using, it doesn't matter. But in this case, the coefficient of x is the same, but the constants are different. So if I were to plug in a number here, like let's use this yellow one. Let's say x equals 5. So then on the left side, I'm saying 5 plus 4, so that's 9. And on the right side, I'm saying 5 plus 2, which is 7. But 9 does not equal 7. That's a false statement. It's not true. It's wrong. So if any time the left side of an equation does not equal the right side, and you can look at it and tell by looking at the coefficients and then the constants, that is no solution. So infinite solutions is when everything's the same. And then no solution is when the constants are different, when it's a false statement. So I'm going to write a song right now, impromptu, freestyle. Okay. Let's see here. Here we go. Here we go. One solution is different coefficients. One solution is different coefficients. Infinite solutions, everything's the same. Infinite solutions, everything's the same. No solution is a false statement. No solution is a false statement. That's how we find the types of solutions. I know I'm special. So I want y'all to remember that. I'm going to do it one more time. I want you to remember that. One solution, different coefficients. One solution, different coefficients. Infinite solutions, everything's the same. Infinite solutions, everything's the same. No solution is a false statement. No solution is a false statement. Say that over and over again in your head to try to remember. I hope this helps. I know I'm weird. Have a beautiful day.